Owning a car is great, until that dreaded check engine light comes on, and your mechanic hands you a bill that looks like a phone number. Some car repairs are so incredibly expensive that they can instantly total an older vehicle or wipe out your savings account. But here is the secret: almost every single bank-breaking car failure is completely preventable. Today, we are breaking down the most expensive car repairs you can face, and the simple habits that will save you thousands of dollars. The absolute king of expensive repairs is a seized or blown engine. This happens when the internal metal parts friction weld themselves together due to extreme heat and lack of lubrication. The fix? You either need a completely new engine or a massive rebuild. How do you avoid it? It is simpler than you think. Never ignore oil leaks, change your oil every 5,000 miles, and most importantly, if your temperature gauge ever spikes into the red, pull over immediately. Driving even 1 mile with an overheating engine can warp the cylinder head and destroy the block. Next up is the transmission. Whether it is an automatic, a manual, or a CVT, the transmission is a complex masterpiece of hydraulic pressure and gears. When it goes bad, your car won't shift, slips gears, or simply refuses to move. Mechanics love to tell you that transmission fluid lasts a lifetime, but that is a myth. To avoid a catastrophic transmission failure, never heavy tow beyond your car's capacity, avoid slamming the car into drive while it is still rolling backward, and change your transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. A head gasket is just a small seal between the engine block and the cylinder head, but when it fails, it is a nightmare. A blown head gasket allows coolant to leak into the combustion chambers, causing your car to blow thick white smoke from the exhaust and overheat. The part itself only costs around $100, but the labor to tear down the entire engine takes days. You can avoid this by keeping your cooling system healthy. Flush your radiator coolant every 5 years, and fix minor coolant leaks immediately before they cause an overheat that cracks the gasket. Your catalytic converter cleans up toxic exhaust gases before they leave the tailpipe. Because it is packed with precious metals like platinum and rhodium, replacing one is insanely expensive. Catalytic converters are designed to last the lifetime of the vehicle, so if yours dies, it is usually a symptom of another problem. To protect it, never ignore a misfiring engine or a flashing check engine light. An engine misfire dumps raw fuel directly into the exhaust, which literally melts the insides of your catalytic converter in minutes. If you drive a hybrid or a fully electric vehicle, the battery pack is the single most expensive component. Over time, these batteries lose their capacity to hold a charge, and when they die, the replacement cost can be shocking. While you can't stop chemical degradation entirely, you can maximize battery life. Avoid letting your EV sit at 0% or 100% charge for long periods, minimize the use of DC fast chargers in extreme weather, and keep the battery cooling vents clean and clear of debris. The truth is, cars don't just break down out of nowhere, they give you warnings. Spending $100 on basic maintenance today will always save you thousands of dollars in repairs tomorrow. What is the most expensive repair bill you have ever received? Let us know in the comments below.